Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. Gain deals are on fire this week over at the Dollar General. So many scenarios and deals and steals we'll talk about in a quick second. Well, yesterday's video, the $1.50 toilet paper over at the Dollar General, this is another sensational deal. One thing we were kind of discussing is the price per square foot. I went and photographed the stickers in the store. As you can see, Scott is on the left, Cottonelle is on the right. Scott is 2.3 cents per square foot compared to the Cottonelle, which is 3.7 cents. So if you ever wondered which one is the best value, it is in fact the Scott. However, preference, which one do you like better? We've been discussing that here on YouTube and over on Instagram, and a lot of people have a lot of opinions, but a lot of people do see the value in the Scott's toilet paper. If you want to check out this video, please check it out. At the end, I will link it. Some great information on inexpensive toilet paper this week over at the Dollar General. Okay, so this is what we're talking about in today's video, the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. If you're going to do these deals before Saturday, it'll be an extra $5. If you're going to do it on Saturday, the 5 off of 25 works in concert with the 5 off of 30, giving you $10 of savings on a $30 basket of Gain merchandise. So again, Saturday the 6th, the biggest savings. If you're going to head out before that, it's going to be an extra $5. But the 10 off of 30 is where it's at to get $30 of Gain merchandise and to have that savings. Really pay attention when you're in the store. Scan the merchandise that you're picking up. There are many cents in the Gain line, and sometimes these digital coupons, that first week, not everything is scanning and attaching properly. Bring a pad of paper and pen in store with you so your math is, perfect. And any issues you have at checkout, don't be shy to void your transaction. Now, a lot of you believe that this just does not work, this double stack. And last weekend I went and did a deal and I got all of this for $4.15. So yes, these deals do in fact work with both the digital and paper and a little bit of magic here and there, but I was able to get it to work. So just to show you here, the proof is in fact in the pudding, and I got my basket of $25 of stuff down to $4.15. Last week the promotion was a 5 off of 20. It's a little bit more this week with the 5 off of 30, but you can still make deals happen. So let's start talking about those deals. Okay, deal number one. This one is 100% digital. You're going to need these two cornerstones loaded, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. Both of these loaded. We're going to be grabbing two of these $3 Febreze small spaces. See where it says Gain there on the left? Look for one that has that writing. It has to have the word Gain on the packaging because this is a Gain deal. Now, this is the digital coupon that we're going to have loaded for this, which is a 3 off of 2 at the bottom. And as you can see at the top, see where it says 5 off of 30? It's attaching. Thus, you know you're grabbing the correct item when you have this little stack here. Now, we're also going to grab two of these Air Effect sprays. See where it says Gain at the bottom? So you're looking for these little cans with the Gain logo on it. So please pay attention when you're in the store. And then the stack again, the 5 off of 30, and then the 3 off of 2. So you're going to need all of these coupons loaded. We're going to grab this little pack for $5 that include the plug and the oils. And this guy is exactly $5 on the nose. If you want to scan it home because you're like, I just don't believe you, Kimono, feel free. And this $3 is attaching along with the 5 off of 30. We're also going to grab two of these guys for $6.95. The fireworks. I love this product. And there was a very generous 3 off of 2 that showed up last week. You'll either have the 2 off of 2 or the 3 off of 2. I got the 3 off of 2 because I go always really heavy with this product. So looking at the math, this one is for Saturday specifically for the math. We're grabbing two Febreze with the Gain scent small spaces. They're $3 each, so that's 6. Two of the Gain Air Effect can sprays with the Gain scent, 3 each, so that's 6. One Febreze plug with the Gain oil for 5. Two Gain fireworks at $6.95 a pop, which is $13.90. So the total for your basket is $30.90. You punch in your phone number whenever you want at the front or after the cashier scans the stuff. It makes no difference. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off. And then along with $12 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $8.90 out of pocket for the 7 items. It shakes it out to 27 cents each. Hi, this is an absolutely spectacular deal. I mean, 100% digital and 100% awesome. Okay, guys, next deal that we have again is 100% digital. So you're going to need these boosters loaded, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. All digital coupons over at the Dollar General are also of a one-time use, just to note that. So guess who's back? Mr. Clean with Gain for $3. Oh my gosh, this store had like 6 million in stock. You know what I'm getting on Saturday. So we're looking for the one, let's not forget, with the Gain scent. It's right there because there's some with Febreze and other products, but we're looking for the one with the Gain. And look, guys, $1 off. And the 5 off of 30 are in fact attaching with said product. Then we're going to grab 2 of these $5 Febreze car clips. So these double packs, if you want to scan at home, boom, there it is. As you can see, it's attaching with the digital coupon for this specific product. That include the booster and then the 3 off of 2. We're going to grab one of these plugs as well for $5 on the nose. The 3 is attaching to that along with the 5 off of 30. And then we're going to grab 2 of these fireworks for $6.95. And then we're going to have this digital, which is the 3 off of 2 loaded for this transaction. Okay, again, we're talking a Saturday deal. We have 1 Mr. Clean with Gain for $3, 2 Febreze car clips for $10. They're $5 each, guys. 1 Febreze with Gain plug and oil for $5, and 2 Gain fireworks for $13.90. Remember, they're $6.95 a pop. So the total for this basket is $31.90. You punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 Dollar General coupons are coming off, along with the $10 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $11.90 for the 6 items, shaking each item out to $1.98 each. Not the worst deal. The next 2 scenarios are with paper coupons for more experienced shoppers, just to note that. So we're going to go with the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. You need these 2 boosters loaded. We're going to be grabbing one of these guys for $13.50. The Gain Fling 51 count. And then in the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, we had a $3 coupon. So you're going to have one of these. Alternatively, you can go to P&G Good Every Day the day of, print one out because they have an expiry date of 24 hours. And then you will be set to have a $3 coupon for this dealio. And we're also going to grab one of the Mr. Clean with Gains. Why not? We have a very generous $1 coupon attaching with the 5 off of 30. And then we're going to grab 4 of these Febreze Air Effects with the Gain scent. Please make sure you're grabbing the right one, but 4 of them. And we're going to need this guy from the February P&G. So 1 paper coupon. Along with, there's also a digital counterpart for that, which is this guy. You're also going to have this coupon loaded, which is the 3 off of 2. And then we're also going to grab a dish soap for $2. Okay, looking at the math for this one of the Gain Flings 51 count is $13.50. 1 Mr. Clean is 3. 4 cans of the Febreze Gain Air Effects is $12. Those are 3 on the nose, so 3 times 4 is 12, and then 1 Gain dish soap for $2. Well, the total for this basket is $30.50. So after the cashier scans all of the items, then you will present your coupons. That is the $3 for the flings and the $3 for the Gain Air Effects from the February P&G, and then punch in your phone number at the front end of the deal. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will come off, along with $4 of digital manufacturers, the $1 for the Mr. Clean, and the 3 off of 2 for the Febreze Air Effects. You're left with paying $10.50 out of pocket for the 7 items, shaking each item out to $1.50 each. That's kind of awesome. Okay, and the last deal with paper, this one is again for more advanced shoppers. We're going to need our 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 loaded to our store card. First item that we're going to grab is 6 of the Febreze with Gain Air Effects. That's a lot. So I'm saying this is for more advanced shoppers because there's a jog that you're going to have to do here. The BOGO free coupons from the February P&G, what you're going to do is give the cashier 2 of these, scan a coupon, 2 of these, scan a coupon. If your store won't let you do that jog, then this deal will not work. But these coupons will choke if you present two of them at the end. Only one will scan, not both. So that's how you're going to do it. And get the Febreze Air Effects to scan first in this transaction. So you will need two of these. Along with, you're going to need this digital, which is the 3 off of 2 loaded for this deal. As you can see, it's also attaching with the 5 off of 30. And then we're also going to grab 2 of these small spaces. And they're $3 a piece. And then we have a digital for that. So have it loaded, which is the 3 off of 2. So there it is. And then we're grabbing one of these for $6.95, just a fabric softener. And then we're going to need this coupon from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th, which is a $2 off. So you're going to need one of these for this little dealio. Okay, guys, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics for this deal. And it's a Saturday deal too. So if you're going to do this before Saturday, add an extra $5 to the balance of the transaction. 6 of the Gain Air Effects is $18 on the nose. 6 times 3, that's where I'm getting the 18. Scan 2, present a paper coupon. Scan 2, present a paper coupon. 2 Febreze Gain small spaces at $3 a pop is $6, and then 1 Gain fabric softener is $6.95. So the total is $30.95 for all of the merchandise. But of course, the math is a bit skewed because we subtracted $6. It won't make a difference. So punch your phone number in at the top of this. Until the cashier presses the final pay button, the numbers don't aggregate. So it's still at 30. So we're going to present the $8 of paper coupons. So the 2 BOGOs, you're going to have to do that jog. And then after everything is scanned, the $2 for the fabric softener from the Retail Me Not of January the 17th. And then also the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will also be coming off for you, which are the boosters. And then $6 of digital manufacturers, the 3 off of 2 for the Gain Air Effect, and then the $3 for the Gain small spaces. So the final price point after all of this is $6.95 for the 9 items, or 77 cents per product. Yes, a bit of a jog and a bit of, scan 2, present a coupon, that sort of dance. But 77 cents per product. This is the deepest savings of all of the deals. If you can line this one up, this is definitely a deal for you. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.